Have you ever wondered who truly owns the content you create? Whether it's a song, a painting, a manuscript, or even a software program. How can you ensure that your creative works remain yours and is protected from unauthorized use? Today, let's delve deep into the world of copyright registration and understand its significance in safeguarding your intellectual property. Imagine this, a budding artist, Maya, spends months crafting a beautiful mural that becomes the centerpiece of a public building. Years later, she discovers that her artwork has been removed and discarded without her consent. This isn't just a hypothetical scenario, it's a real life story of a renowned artist, Amarnath Sehgal. In the landmark case Amarnath Sehgal versus Union of India in 2005, the Delhi High Court ruled in favor of Sehgal, emphasizing the importance of moral rights and protecting creators from unauthorized alterations or destruction of their works. This case highlights why copyright protections is more than just a legal formality. It is a safeguard for creators' dignity and rights. What is copyright? At its core, copyright is a legal right granted to a creator of an original work, giving them exclusive rights to use, distribute, and modify their creation. In India, copyright protection is governed by the Copyright Act of 1957, which provides protection for literary, artistic, musical, and cinematographic works. One common misconception is that copyright registration is necessary to claim ownership. The truth is, copyright is automatically granted as soon as an original work is created. However, formal registration provides undeniable legal proof of ownership, making it easier to enforce rights in case of disputes. Why should you register your copyright? If copyright protection is automatic, why should you bother registering it? Here are a few key reasons. First, legal evidence. Registration serves as a prima facie evidence in a court of law regarding ownership. 2. Public record. It establishes a public record of the copyright claim, deterring potential infringers. 3. Ability to sue. Only registered works can seek statutory damages and attorney fees in infringement suits. 4. Prevention of unauthorized use. A registered copyright makes it easier to enforce your rights and issue legal notices against infringers. For instance, in the case of R.G. Anand vs. Deluxe Films in 1978, the plaintiff claimed that his play had been copied into a film. The Supreme Court ruled that ideas are not protected under copyright, only their unique expression is. This case reinforces the importance of registering a copyright to establish legal ownership over specific creative expressions. How to register a copyright in India? Now, let's break down the copyright registration process step by step. First, access the official website. Visit the Copyright Office's official website, copyright.gov.in, and log in with your credentials. If you are a new user, register to create an account. 2. Choose the right category. Determine whether your work falls under literary, artistic, musical, cinematographic, or software categories. 3. Fill out the application. Form 14. Provide details about your work, including title, description, and creator information. 4. Pay the fee. Different works have different registration fees. For example, literary works have a different fee compared to cinematographic films. 5. Receive a diary number. Upon submission, you will get a unique diary number to track your application. 6. Wait for 30 days. There is a mandatory 30-day waiting period for any objections to be raised. 7. Examination and registration. If no objections are filed, the Copyright Office examines your application and issues a certificate of registration. How copyright protects creators in the digital age? With the rise of AI-generated content and digital piracy, copyright protection has become more crucial than ever. Recently, Bollywood music labels like T-Series and Saregama filed a copyright suit against OpenAI, alleging unauthorized use of their sound recordings. This case illustrates the evolving challenges of copyright in the AI era and why formal registration is critical for digital creators. The fine line between inspiration and copyright infringement. A major issue in copyright law is the distinguishing between inspiration and infringement. Consider the case of Star India Private Limited versus Leo Brunet India Private Limited in 2002, where a television commercial was alleged to have copied elements of a television show. The court ruled that while ideas are free to use, the specific expression of an idea is protected under copyright law. Registering a copyright is a proactive step in protecting your creative endeavors. It ensures that you retain control over how your work is used and distributed. Don't leave your creations vulnerable. Take the necessary step to safeguard your intellectual property today. If you found this information helpful, like, share and subscribe to our channel for more insights into protecting your creative rights. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer. Take care. Bye.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clear.